This is Kenya. This is Kenya.
And we are not in Nairobi.
We are not in Nairobi. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Claude. In case you're new here, feel free to subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm here with the big crew, and today they decided to say, CJ, no more in the village. No more stay in the village. Let's go out a little bit, but it's not necessarily out. It's something very emergency. So this day today we are here. Please show some love by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. And of course, thank you so much for 26,000 subscribers. I'm forever grateful for that. May Almighty God bless you. For each and every person who have really pressed that subscription button and said, oh, CJ, let's make you grow. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000, then from there, road to 100,000 subscribers, and that's a very good act of showing towards this great boy in the village, CJ. So, guys, without much ado, we are in this amazing, is it A1? I think it's an A1 road that always goes from deep in the village here direct to Nairobi, Kenya, which is the capital city of Kenya. Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. Some say the capital city of Africa. Is it even true?
Yeah, it's true. It's true, bro.
Let us start the comment section.
It's the United States of Africa.
Is it true that Nairobi, Kenya is the capital city of Africa? Let us know that. Let us know that. My crew here says, everybody here says it's true. But
yeah, for me, I'm saying it's true.
Let me leave it for the what you call, like, for the comment section for you guys to decide. You know, and also don't say, why CJ are you lefting the village? We are not lefting in a bad way, and we are in a good way moving. So I'm here with our chauffeur of the day.
Go with Jay.
Go with Jay.
Yeah, man, I'm concentrating, like,
serious. It's very serious. That's why I don't want to put so much camera on him.
So this is Go with Jay, and today I've been driving from morning, right? Yeah, maybe I will give to my brother when we are going back.
We are exchanging. Yeah.
But remember, he's my teacher. He's one of the best.
I'm your instructor.
Who made me best on the road, especially.
Yeah.
You remember when we were passing here?
Yeah.
I almost hit a car. You were like, what the hell?
A lot of noise.
Oh man, I forget because of dancing. I'm putting indicator. I forget. I'm going around about with the indicator. Oh my God.
But
I
guys,
forget wherever I have been, school. For me, I had a car, so I was learning at school while also I learned to drive.
This place, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but it helps me a lot. At least this is only 3 months.
Yeah, guys, and I'm very, very proud of him because he really mastered this art very well. Even the other day, he traveled to Mombasa and came back. I was very, very, very proud of him for that. You know, there's some that you can teach. Hey, you have to knock them, because being an instructor at some point, you need to have that heart of like being patient at some point and understanding somebody. Because if you don't yell at them, they'll not do it. There's a point that you see that they are going this side and they want to knock. You have to tell them, no, turn this way. You know, but it's good. And over here also I'm with the big man himself, who told us that, hey, man. Yeah,
yeah, I'm the one who cried.
Yes.
And the boys came out. And I'm really happy and humbled for that.
Yes.
My name is Chacha Tales on YouTube.
Yeah.
You can also go check me out. I'm from the same village with CJ here, with Jay. I'm also a content creator. But unfortunately today I'm not feeling well.
For sure, guys.
It's the normality of life. Sometimes you are not okay. True, I was not okay, like, and they came with a big car.
With a big car.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini, man.
The village Lamborghini.
I've never been drove in such a nice car, hospital. I've driving cars, yes, but not with the boys like this. I feel so good. It's a good experience.
What are you eating, kijana mudogo? Oreo.
Eating Oreo.
Okay.
So thank you so much, CJ, and kindly enjoy this vlog. And if you're watching and do not subscribe, kindly subscribe. And, show CJ some love.
Absolutely. I'm here with I'm here also with Daudi, Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue.
I changed the color.
You changed the color.
But it's unfortunate that the name caught up with me.
But you can see even right now he's eating.
Mr. Blue.
No, I'm dressing black.
You are in black.
I yelled at him that I love black. Right now you can see he's rocking.
Are you at
But he has locked
Are you
you.
at-
Yeah, I'm trying to rock at blue light.
This is our Mike Sonko, this guy. You see the bling bling, the shirts and the cape.
Imagine everything here is Mutumba.
This is our village Mike Sonko.
This is Mutumba. Only that najua kuingia.
Unajua kuingia
Kuchagua.
kladi.
I know how to put the Mutumba second hand clothes.
Yeah.
Now to select.
I know how to say.
And I'm so confused that this guy every single day when we put up clothes, he will always come in the same taste. You see, like him today, he put up the strip one, the shirt that is
And the
stripped,
design.
and also pullover. It's kind of the strips, the same
We
coming
have
the
the
same.
same taste. Even the other day we were rocking.
You don't
pink
have
and-
it.
Yeah. Who don't have?
Always doesn't have a taste.
Really?
We are the one that will always. If it couldn't be me and the wife, this is where I don't know how could you could be working at
What
this
they
place.
are saying is true.
It's true,
Go and ask my campus friends. At campus, we were still very young. I didn't have.
We are talking about.
But I could go.
Show us
with-
the pictures.
at the Mtumba. I'll show you my pictures. When I was in college. I go at the Mtumba with my $5 and they come out with a nice shirt.
You nice shirt, yeah.
I also bought some roll-on.
Roll-on, yeah. You
don't
smell
know
nice.
Nothing but try it.
Like for sure.
Just try it. Look.
But
Yeah.
nowadays I really help him.
Oh, for sure.
Don't lie.
Not
Mr. Blue, really?
Don't lie.
Guys, you're here with Mr.
Can
Blue.
you help me and you're putting on this? Is shop clothes.
Oh, shop
And
clothes,
like
yeah.
New clothes.
Oh, yeah, fashion.
You can see
He's still on fashion.
Yeah.
But
But me, this is all Mtumba.
second hand.
Yeah, only this one maybe is when even it's some Mtumba shop. We bought Daudi this one.
Oh.
But everything here is Mtumba.
Now would you say something then, man, Mr. Blue?
How
Introduce
did you
yourself.
help?
Let me just leave him. But this guy, when he goes to the shop alone and comes back, even he gets afraid of putting on whatever he has,
He has bought.
That's the reality.
One thing.
You always talk a lot of clothes.
One thing with Mutumba, sometimes you can buy. Now this is the bad thing with Mutumba. Sometimes you can angukia things you think is good.
It's good,
When
but-
you reach at the house,
What did I buy?
The other day, I bought
Yesterday, not even the other
yesterday. I bought a trouser. Nice.
It's nice.
It's for ladies.
Aye. So
That is the problem with
it's mwagika. Down here is belly bottom.
See where the problem came. Even he left the trousers at my home.
Oh,
See the problem where it came. We went with Chacha. Chacha had another guy called Jackson. So he told me, I'm not going to consult you anything. I'm going to consult the guy. And it seems like the guy is always afraid of Chacha.
okay.
So in the process, I think even the guy was like
Afraid of-
what is this guy speaking?
He's
But he
choosing.
couldn't just tell Chacha direct. So Chacha ended up buying things.
Well,
Even the shoes, if not this girl, what's the name? God, Nancy.
Nancy.
Even
You could have bought
he
something
could
crazy.
have come out with a certain sandal.
Yeah.
Those are
Chacha, you ended up buying belly bottom. Like
And
serious?
crop top.
No, I didn't buy crop top. Today I bought some very nice t-shirts yesterday. I could be rocking with them today, but they were rainbow. So I was so embarrassed. You know, I had prepared for this journey.
You bought something and you're embarrassed of again.
No, I was embarrassed because they were rainbow. You see,
Oh.
I bought yesterday and washed them.
Oh,
So
yeah.
Actually, even today in my blog, I was showing people my new shirts.
Your new
I was
shirt.
so disappointed.
Aye,
I
aye,
did
aye.
not put them on because they were rainbow.
They were
Now,
rainbow.
I wanted just to buy shirts. Now
This is
I decided to buy.
We got our bike.
Oh,
This one we got our-
oh, here, around here?
Yeah, that's
Oh.
where we got our bike.
Geolink, you see.
Actually, I should look, ask for my number plate.
Okay.
They told me 1 month.
They sent me also message to come and
Yours. Which they've never sent mine.
Oh, guys, now we are in
It's now
Kisii.
3 months.
We are now in Kisii. We are in a place known as Darajambili. And the boys here are really amazing me with their clothes.
Here you always
And somebody yesterday is a man but bought a crop top and a belly bottom trouser. If you come here,
that
this
is not true. These boys are attacking
is attacking you.
But you know, even you see this, I think there's a
Yeah.
like you bought a cloth
Yes.
and reaching at home and realizing you
Hey.
saw it was good. But
For
you-
sure.
Even sometimes I have clothes that I buy and I'm not.
Oh,
It
yeah.
happens to anyone.
Anyone, yeah. But this place, you see this place here, they always sell good clothes here.
Yeah, you have some
Second hand.
clothes which you have like 3 years now.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Very, very good.
The Mutumba.
Hey,
Yeah, they're
I
second
was
hand.
it when I came with that time. We came
But
over
for
here.
now, I really like that. Those are the dust coats. Because you have to deal with them maybe when it's sunny when you know,
clothes.
yeah. But these people always do it.
But only me, I don't know how to wear. Well, but nowadays I'm very narangaring.
Nowadays you're
You
putting
know how
up,
to
man.
choose.
This guy nowadays knows how to
Nowadays I have a
choose.
very good look.
Yeah, look.
Yeah. My look
I remember
nowadays.
I remember we fighting in Nairobi because of buying a fake cloth. Because
You
of
and
this.
him.
Yes. There's a day that he was buying a jacket which is crazy, man. I told him, no, you're not supposed to buy this. I had to choose him another jacket.
Easy counting.
Yeah.
But before I didn't use it to like to wear good clothes, you know.
If we don't, you're being referred to get something not from border on Migori. We always refer it
To this town. Yeah.
Kisi. The closest one. If not Kisi, now Nairobi.
Yeah.
You don't see Kisi is bigger than
Kisumu?
it's very beautiful than Mwanza.
Hey, Mwanza, bro. Mwanza, you walk the whole city with foot.
Yeah, and actually the city doesn't have a lot of story building like
Yeah.
Oh.
or good roads. You
And
know.
the way it has
They have only one bridge, and that bridge you find everyone taking picture.
They're taking pictures from there. Like they have one footbridge.
Footbridge, not even a bridge.
And it's a city.
Yeah, and it's a big city. That city was very beautiful, by the way.
It's beautiful because of the rocks.
The lake also.
Yeah. Guys, you see how this is Kisii town and things are moving on.
Tuweke mafuta hapa.
Eh. Napigisha sherehe hapa sometime. Ukikuja
Muda ule. Enzi zako
enzi
zile.
zangu hatujao.
Sasa hii vijana kitaka mzee. Yaani mimi na vijana kupiga kauli moja.
Ishako wazee. Chacha this. Ishako wazee.
Kijana hivi hata amekuwa mzee. Mzee gani sasa? Bana, wanataka kujificha kwa uzee gani bro?
Utajua. Vitu nawaza.
Kitoto changu kitakuwa aje? In the future nini nifanye? Ukiona mtoto wa fulani
Guys, here is called Keumbu. This is where most of the food iko Nyamira County kweli. Kisii. I know. This is Kisii. Yeah, Kisii. Yeah. From huko mbele. Hapa ndio naishia.
I'm
Yeah,
also on
that's
this side.
Keumbu.
It will be Kisii, not Nyamira. It will be still Kisii, Nyamira on the other side.
Guys, this is what you see, what's going on around. We are moving. That Keumbu, it's famously known for foodstuffs. Most of those people who travel to Nairobi or Mombasa, they buy some foodstuffs there, and then they proceed with it. You know? And then you see what's going on around. Pole pole. And the environment, the nature is telling you everything. The corner stuffs are going on. The cars jolting and belting on one side, moving. Today is a very good day, guys. Today, just moving away from the village.
Hello.
It's new life. There's a Keumbu Children's Home. You know? Wow. The village back. Ngora tata, ngora. See how things are moving. The nature itself. Hello. This one is carrying some. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Fanya nisingie. Hey, mimi hapana. Labda sehemu.
Look at the sky, guys. How it's moving on around. The pole pole. Nice. So, moving on pole pole. Hey. CX8. Keroka from afar. Oi. Oi. This is hay. The guy with hay is doing the hay.
Hey, man.
Hey, man. We were once in a place in Tanzania and we met a one-man band. You remember?
Yeah,
And he was
actually
singing
nowadays he's in
Kenya.
These other side.
Yeah,
I've seen him.
I've seen him around in TikToks. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Wala ma.
Ayo wana man.
That guy, man. Hey.
Bwana mtu mwingine kwa hiyo. He has what? He has a drum set
On his own.
I don't know, guitar.
Everything on it.
And you think that
And he has connected so many radios.
They have connected many radios in solar.
Yeah.
And the instrument is a crazy one.
They're not even working.
They're not
Hey.
working.
Oh.
It's just only him making some music.
Drama, like drama.
Yeah. Guys, you see, this is the beautiful Keroka town. This is where my wife comes from. This is the town for my wife. Yeah.
Judy comes from also around here, from Nyamira.
In how he comes from this place. We left the road.
Yamira is from another side.
Yeah. So this is the town. If they want to come to town, they come from this place. Then they come here, they shop. Yeah, though that is a beautiful place. Well, but always here, hey, you have to go slow because always of traffic jam and other stuffs. Oh, kijana umejangori. Jangori.
Rokadoba.
Yeah. You're supposed to be fueling in front here. No, in front. You have to go still. Keroka town. If you come from Keroka town, hands up.
Hands up.
W for the charts.
W in the chat.
W in the charts.
WW chat.
Yeah.
Chat.
Or let's say C in the chat. C in the chat. Yeah, what's up.
They don't understand.
Compare with you.
Ask CJ. No, CJ is the one we can.
Hey, they do
Go
this.
CJ, how old are you?
Me, I'm 26. I'm big, bro.
You're old, bro.
But I'm old.
You're old enough.
And the way I'm saying, forever young. I'm gonna be.
Tata is form 1. I'm class 1. Tata is form 2. I'm form 2.
And bro, you look bigger than me, you know?
Me?
Hey, and you are not even 20.
I'm 20.
How old is 20?
That would be 20.
Imagine you are 20 and I'm looking very young than you.
He has a big body.
He has a big body.
Hey, you have a big body actually, and
Not really big.
the mandevu is coming.
The Mandev is coming.
And me, I don't have even beard.
Hormones, you have a 0.
I was supposed to be a woman.
Wow.
I don't know what happened.
You were supposed to be a woman. This guy was supposed to be a woman. Come on, man. But he was supposed to be a woman.
If you see, I have even a big chest, you know? And no beard.
This guy is not serious.
No beard.
It's just a joker.
Also, my voice is not enough.
I can see 2, 3. See there, My phone. Hey, Samsung. Yeah. It's called Samsung. Samsung. A55. I really love to shoot using the phone because even my GoPro crashed. Yeah, so this really saves my time. Yeah, all of my vlogs I'm using my phone.
Even though I saw it.
Most time I use my phone.
sometimes
It
like an
I like to use my phone.
This look.
But I bought an iPhone. An iPhone is nice. You know?
Yeah. Me, I believe in this Samsung.
Even Samsung is better. I have also one. I do use it sometimes.
Yeah. But
I use it to like Samsung, by the way.
you know, with me, I never quit GoPro because it helps me maybe to shoot on rainy season or when I'm going to Mombasa, or maybe vlogs when I'm in town. But this one helps me maybe to shoot around here. Yeah. But now the problem is my GoPro crashed. That's the problem.
Yeah.
So I left it and I'm using the. So I was like, I don't want to cry when I have the alternative, which is the phone. Let me use the phone. You know.
And I'm happy that you're still moving.
Yeah,
Before you used to even to use a very bad phone.
We used to use a very bad phone.
You have to do filter. Guys, we use it to filter our video.
You have to filter a video until you feel like, hey, somebody watches and you are all red.
Man, or purple.
Hi.
But traveling is good.
Traveling, you know, sometimes when
Next time when you go to Mombasa, please involve me.
Yeah, we will.
Traveling is something awesome.
If you would tell me last time, you would go.
Yes, you see?
I wanted a companion, but
So you wanted a company, but me, I was very busy.
Yeah, true.
Anytime you are going, true. Start me. It's taking the video.
At least to go to the coast.
The coast, yeah, fueling and everything. I definitely want my fence to look like this. You see this fence? Yeah,
it's not traveling.
Yeah.
My face will come.
Your face, your real face.
My real face. This one is a filter.
Bro, you're so funny now.
Guys,
Why are you taking it to that level now?
Yeah? I mean, maybe I'm not slim. Maybe I'm like, we'll go with Jay.
No way, bro.
You know, go.
Who is slim between me and you?
You don't do gym. Go with Jay do gym.
Oh.
Yeah.
But I've been not doing for
Yeah, I'm naturally bodybuilder.
You're not a bodybuilder.
No, it's just to keep your body safe built. Like, you know?
Why is this guy taking on a wrong way?
Keroka is full of
Green
lima and maboni.
Lima and Maboni.
Not Keroka, Kisi.
Kiss. But the
Generally.
kiss is Keroka still.
Yeah, generally now.
This guy is harvesting maize already.
Like a valley.
Oh. But this is a very good place. And the problem with these people in Kisii is that
And they have a lot of
Kama nchi nyingine
Sasa wewe sije.
yeah.
kama huko kwetu ni mpaka ununue barabara.
Ingekuwa ni mlipo.
say this.
Ungetaka wewe ukatiwe pale juu round.
Eh.
Ndio kile mtu hapo. Auje mahali.
Kila mtu apewe posho.
Bro, unaona huko kwetu
And you know-
barabara lazima ununue.
And then you know the funny part is,
Even the hill.
you know the funny part is in Kisii, it's very rare for you to get an indigenous tree. It's very rare. The mosot is planted here. The more indigenous one,
They plant.
you see like where Daniel is. Do you see those trees? Do you see them here?
No, don't see them.
You'll never see them here.
Turkanga.
Trunkanga, sijui nini. Mosocho is here. But this one they plant them for commercial. You see like, you see eucalyptus.
And they're very healthy.
Yeah, and blue
And they planted it long ago.
yeah.
Ipewa sasa wasikize.
Hey, look at this place, guys. Very nice. And this looks like somebody's home. So he planted those trees long time ago. And it's a free lighting, you know. Aka gari mbele ya mguu ni kama sio sawa, inagonga vizuri. So you should be very careful. Na yeye hata elewi ya juu.
Sasa gari kubwa amekuja kuingia hapa.
Nashinda ku maintain.
Hapa polisi sasa anakungoja huko.
Naona venye nacheza. It's a lady. It's a lady inside. So
Hata kujua.
Same way.
Like the other one.
Yeah. Same like my wife. Sometimes she does. As long as it's going forward. As long as it's going forward.
I tried to tell you the other way. You just say it like the other way.
Really. So you don't have to say the truth. As long as it's going forward, it's forward. I don't want to know
Is
if
it moving? Yeah.
Forward
Is it doing
drive.
it? Paka.
I don't,
Yes.
I don't
Okay,
care.
no problem.
And it's moving, yeah, let's go. Hey. Guys, for the pole, we see what's going on around. Yeah. This is how market day looks in Africa. You know, also on our place over here. Market day. Stuffs are vended on the road just like that. Now, when is today? This is on a Tuesday. So Tuesday is a market day. That's what you see, what's going on around. Yo, nice trousers. Bags, back to school, food stuffs. You know, have here sugarcane and bananas or plantains, green bananas. Wow, was woods. Very nice and great.
Sugar cane.
Sugar cane.
Some sweet banana.
I think when I'll be back, I have to buy those pumpkins.
Yeah, they're cheaper here.
Yeah, they're cheaper here.
Sometimes they say they are cheaper. Here things is expensive.
Really?
Even food in the whole bro.
Cheaper is expensive.
Hey, I was taught by Ken Mashari and I never trusted that.
No,
We went in one of the restaurants.
Not yet.
The food for 350.
Huh? You buy?
Bro, we cried.
It's very little.
Hey!
Maybe here. Let me check. Guys, this place, most of the people living here, they do what we call like cows, cattle rearing. Yeah. Let's say cattle. Yeah, cattle no, they do what we call like they rear cows, yeah, cattle rearing here a lot, and most of them they are you get these Fresians and jerseys, a lot, because also the environment favors. It's kind of on the highland a little bit, so here is where you get a lot of milk that comes from this place. Yeah, and it's very green also, very green. You know, sometimes when we see Nyabohansi is green, but this place also looks very green.
Yeah. This place is green.
It's very green.
But when you keep going in front,
it attracts
but
dryness.
it's still nice green all because it's a
lot of
rainy
rain.
season.
Yeah.
But when it's not a rainy season, you can't buy.
And here they have those trees, the acacia trees. Over that place. Every homestead here, you'll see a cow. Huh? Those cows over there in our place, we call them very expensive. You know? That's why you see over there at our place, sometimes people say that there's a lot of cattle rustling because of those cows. Ni kienyeji. They are local, so they can run. You know, if you steal these improved ones, they cannot walk or run. Yeah.
They are so expensive. You cannot just walk in the market.
Yeah, they are expensive to maintain. Yeah. You know, when it's so sunny, they're not supposed to be on on sun. They're not supposed to get rained on.
Modern.
Oh yeah, this kind of cows, these ones.
They got milk. They have so much
Yeah,
milk.
they have a lot of milk, a lot. They produce a lot of milk. Like a neighbor used to have a cow like that she used to milk 10 liters in the morning and 10 liters in the evening.
Imagine. I saw it when I was in Piano.
Man,
This guy's family, they have one cow, bro.
yeah.
They get 10 liters in the morning and evening another. I'm like, what?
Hey, man. I think when I'll build there and on my land, I must make sure that I have that. I own that one cow.
Yeah, that
No,
place is
no,
a nice one. You can have that.
Yeah.
That place, especially if you go down
Yeah.
from that river, now you can plant napier grass.
Napier grass.
Oh,
and
bro, you can have that one.
I make my own by
you will make
biogas, and things go on. Like just one or
I
two.
want also to.
Like the one that you have to have milk in the morning.
For me, I want to, but until maybe I get
Bigger land.
I buy maybe another big land
Yeah.
nearby where I'm living. I can do that.
You know those cows are like, man, they are good. You're not supposed to be buying milk or doing anything. You're just feeding them and maintaining them well. You enjoy your milk. So guys, we are approaching where we are going.
We are
Almost there. So we'll be seeing what's going on around. Alright.
What will I do without your smile?
Take me out. No winning. down.
This guy, beautiful man.
This guy.
Your magical mystery ride. And I'm so easy. Oh, hit me, but I bring you right. My hands are now.
No. My hand's speeding.
I'm breathing fine. You're crazy now. I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me love all of you.
This guy is singing from the headphone. He's singing something on the laptop.
This guy can end up quitting someone's song.
Bro, stop it. Hey! Hey guys, you see 10 hospital eye. Let's go. This is for the eye. This is eye and the eye and dental. Schools dental. Just only for let's go. It's only for 10 week. Everything 10 week. Yes, this is 10 week. The only place 10 week. You have to make a U-turn. 10 week. Oh, yeah. Guys, we just arrived here at 10 week, so we are around here. There's we want to have some food. I show speed of Kenya. No, I show speed from Temu.
The kids are outside there.
Waiting for you.
You know, I went and the video was so they are calling me.
I show speed.
So I want to shine.
Alright guys, let's wait for the food.
Time comes to shine.
Shine, for sure. We have here the guy is eating pilau from Temu, and then we have soup from Temu. Soup. And then with us we're having nothing, so let's wait for our food. What did you order?
Me, fish.
Fish
fried.
Okay.
Like, you know what? Good things takes time.
Good things takes time, yeah, for sure. I understand. For that, for sure, it's cool, man. So let's wait and see. So they all this guy asked like the reality of this, but he wanted like this.
Even like this one.
And now
even he didn't want to know the name.
The name.
Only in the Philippines you can ask for something like this,
and it comes exactly like that.
But remember,
you know, in the Singapore,
it's just come out from the village, not Kenya.
But this guy just told me, he got me laughing, bro, that I want like this.
I was surprised the way
He pointed on it. No, the size of the meat, you know, the size of the beef. with the bone marrow inside. But this one, and the size of the meat. No bone.
He was waiting for the bone.
For the bone marrow. Hey.
So he's looking for sorry, bro. God will.
Next time, don't point like this. Say, oh, mine is nyama choma. Hey. I'll try.
everyone eat what they have.
I've ordered. No, me, you eat, it's yours, bro. No, don't befriend me with your food. I'm waiting for mine. Me, I eat ugali, strong. Yeah. Good things take time, you know. All right. Guys, good things take time. You see the fish. That's for our issue speed. So everything's going on good. It looks good. Okay. Yeah. So the guy is enjoying his food, and also CJ is having nyama choma. Yeah, but this one it was burnt. Too much. Hey guys, I'm telling you, I've learned something from this place actually. There's a lot of business opportunities that are here. You know, hotels. If your hotel is like that classy, hey, you sell, man.
yeah, you can get money.
Like everything you see, it's hotel. You see, it's hotel and fashion, Airbnb.
Yeah.
Like we have been, like we have been told that Airbnbs here are full.
They are fully.
Yeah, fully booked.
Accommodation available.
They are fully
So
booked.
what even Jay was telling me, you see the building that you saw there,
At the first place.
yeah.
Yeah.
Go there. because it's
We'll
a
see.
hotel, you can even sleep there. And then so tomorrow maybe if
With the place.
Yeah, then you check, yeah.
Then we check, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Guys, this
You
is
find even the
10
best place.
Also,
but
they have the
but
small
you have
car.
to be here first.
10 man. Hey. Yeah. So we are here with like in a Chacha Tales. So guys, I'm so much happy to take them around here, and also for them taking us here. You know, they want to took us here to see how everything is.
Yeah, we never knew this.
Like for
place.
me, it's my first time being here. I've been hearing about Chenwek, but to be honest, I've never stepped my foot here. Yeah, so because Chacha was like, I want to come for checkup because he has been sick, and when he goes to some hospitals, they don't really show the cause, and they still complain of the pain, the same pain. So I was like, let him come and try here so that he can see what if there will be change.
So
Yeah.
the big issue that this hospital has is that it managed to do a surgery, heart surgery, for a child who is 28 days.
Really?
28 days.
So that
That one shook the world,
Wow.
or the country. Scenic Senior School.
28 days only.
Heart surgery.
Heart surgery, and it went successful.
Heart.
Heart surgery.
Heart surgery, and it went successful.
We will come here too.
And you know the good thing is it's international and it's a mission. You know, it's a mission
A
hospital.
lot of specialists come.
Yeah, from different.
outside the country.
Yeah.
So it gives it a brand.
And brand, yeah. But and also it's well, the strategy where it's being located, it's a very nice place because it's far away from the towns and no noise, no
in the
traffic
village,
jam. Yeah,
Like-
it's like the way maybe a hospital can come and be situated at Nyamwin.
So here is the
Why are
main
you saying
hospital.
Nyamwin?
Because because I'm living in Nyamwin and those people. So this is
Let's
it.
say Nyabirongo.
This is yeah. Oh,
So
yeah.
this is the big this is the big hospital, my man.
This is for the heart. This is for the heart, and yeah, cardiothoracic, which is very good. That's a here and that's a 7 hours, no sleep.
It has really been. See, going behind there,
Oh man,
it's a real hospital.
A very big-
hospital like an hospital.
hey, it's crazy. Hey, and the belt is belting. Hey,
Very mad on you.
Look at this view.
Wow.
Oh my
See the
God.
guy that has built
You guys
there.
can be doing a video tomorrow when you come to hospital.
Yeah.
Here when we
All
are
along,
at the
this place
hospital,
it will be
when
very
the
nice.
Test when you've done the test.
and everything you'll be over here.
Even
Yeah,
before
man,
you
yeah,
do,
guys.
you do.
And
even-
this tribe, we're gonna get a girl from Kali. I take her to.
Guys,
Yeah.
me, I'm still looking for a girlfriend.
Who? Me, I'm out. In your story, I'm out.
Me and CJ, we are
Yeah, with us we are out. Me and
You guys be out.
you
Me, I'm
and
still
you
looking.
and Daudi, you can go on.
We can look for her.
Yes, but
I'm
me and
looking for a
Tata
girl.
I'm out.
Very
cool. And the green, man, the greenery, the surrounding environment, and also the good thing is like the road, the road from here to the Tenwek
You know
Hospital.
one thing with
Good, yeah.
Bomet or the no, Boy was the second place.
Oh, yeah.
Boy will develop this place. Like, we
Because
have
it's
some
from
of
this
the-
side.
Some of the best hotels are in
Yeah.
Rift Valley.
Rift Valley,
I think this is Rift Valley, right?
Yeah, I think it's Rift Valley. Yeah.
But and also some of the best.
Let's see where is this Eden.
Apartment.
Guys, this was going to be a place for today with me and my crew for the staycation, but sadly that we are leaving, so we'll be leaving Chacha Tales and Daudi. And look, let me show you the tour of the room.
Yeah, this is our new home.
It's our new home.
We got at
We got at Bomet, guys. We never expected this, honestly.
Yeah, so what
But-
you're going, I think you're going to drop us in a nearest, let's say,
Town?
Town.
Yeah.
Do some shopping.
Yes,
Because we will be here. This
Yeah.
is our home.
a new
And
home.
once you get in a new home,
Yeah,
you have to make
Do-
yourself comfortable.
comfortable. One thing I love, you know, me as a traveler, one thing I love is like, if you go to a hotel or a certain guest house and then you see white sheets, know that that is the best and cleanest place, because that shows that every morning they do some cleaning. So with these people, I give them a 10 by 10, honestly.
over 10.
Because also look at this.
You'll find on other places like you find like there's some stuffs around here, but this is very clean, man. White, too much problem. Yeah. You have your seat here.
They get you comfortable with your good slippers.
The washroom. Oh wow, man! There's a very nice smell that comes from in here.
And I can ask.
Yeah.
Is this shower has a heater?
Yeah, it's heater.
Because if they wouldn't be having a heater,
you sit here.
I don't know if I could ever take shower.
Yeah. It's very cold. Very cold. It's very cold. So it's okay. Yeah?
See now the Burundian travel.
No, it's go with J. It's not Burundian travel.
Oh, go with J.
Yes, you know the name with it. Yeah, that was century, man. Yeah? Bro, I'm telling you, if we could now be traveling and this could be our new home, man. Yeah. We are traveling, man.
As we have started traveling.
We have started traveling right now, but it's okay, man. Eh? Say the shoe. Don't break your neck. Don't.
What are you expecting?
You can't.
Yeah, I'm a very good at it. When it comes to this thing, I do.
I really? Bro, you have tried it.
I shall speak.
I shall speak. Hey man, me I once tried that when I was in school. Then my neck twisted like so I sat with the head. So students were pulling me. Then
everyone at that time is a doctor.
It's a doctor. Hey.
So let me get even myself charged.
So guys, I think we are going to leave you immediately.
No, we are taking them to the nearest town, and then because we are locking your room, there's padlock there and everything. Hey. Yeah. Oh, sawa. Sasa mtatulia tu mnachukua hata boda mzunguke. We have the good guy here. Yeah. Hey. So let's go, John. Yeah, so guys, we are leaving and we'll be seeing what's going on around on the other side. So we have Dr. our brother here. So we are hoping him good. Yeah. We'll be. You take time, man. I hope all the good results will be better.
Yeah. You left it there, I guess.
Huyu mzee mtaona huyu. Yeah.
GoPro my other
Simu anarudi.
Ziko hapo. Zote. GoPro sijaona.
GoPro iko. Niacha.
So we are wishing you all the best, man.
Okay.
All will be well and take time.
Yeah.
No pressure.
Okay.
Yeah, the goods that will come out, and now we determine and know what usually disturb you. Sometimes when you are maybe sometimes you feel weak, and when you go to the hospital, there's no results. So and you really feel very bad internally. So the good thing is let's wait and see what's going on. Let's trust the process. Wish you a quick recovery, bro.
Thank you.
You know, people might see you that you are okay, but you are safe inside.
Even right now, I'm feeling
very dizzy. Yeah.
I'm busy.
Alright guys, let's see and we keep on moving. Guys, we are here and now we are moving from the other side. We left Tails and Robbie David. Tails came for some tests because he always feels his body not okay, and whenever he goes to hospitals around there, they don't know what you call, like they don't get what is the cause of him feeling bad. Yeah, so we'll be moving back. This is how you see everything is all along. We have been moving. I really love this place because of how it is 10 work.
Wow. I don't know if it's a village.
10 work. I think it's a place like in Abohanse, but this place is more famous because of that hospital. Yeah, 10 work. Like me, it's my first time being here, and I really love it. We have been told about how they did a surgery of a 28-year-old child. It's a heart surgery. Something like that. Hey, and you see how stuff are around. Very good and well. You know? Easy, John. Easy. Now we are heading back home. And that's how stuffs are. Look at the sky. Very clean. The road is telling you. Yeah, look at that white thing over there. This is Africa, guys. For those who always lie to you that things are not okay here, bush everywhere. No, just the environment. For the nature lovers, those who love nature, this is how things go on. student was very good. The chauffeur.
You are now asking if I'm very good.
Yeah, now you're good, man.
I mean,
Sometimes I tell you something, nowadays I tell you go. That day, I could tell you stop, and now that's the struggle of you stopping. But nowadays, you stop.
those days,
Yeah.
until I hear, you had to almost know.
Yeah.
But like, I'm telling you. Now you remember always the brake.
Nowadays, you remember where the brake is. No, where our
So
stuff
now the
are.
only thing which he helped me is like maybe I'm in a rush.
And you observe.
Then maybe there is a bumps in the behind. You know the roads over here is not like outside.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
abroad.
Yeah. Yeah, we have those.
There's a lot of bumps in the road.
Yeah, and
Everywhere.
and also if you want to drive well, you see whatever the person in front, the car in front of you, what is doing. If you're braking, you brake.
Yeah, that's how.
Yeah, very, very.
Because also roads, sometimes you find it
They differ. They differ, you know.
Yeah.
You know the road that you are driving here is not like the same one at home. Like
Yeah.
this one is not marked. You see, it's just free.
This one, you have to
use
mark for your
Yeah,
other,
you have to use your brain
your
to
other
mark.
car which is marked passing.
Yeah,
You have to like
to use your brain to mark the road.
Yeah.
But the one from home, they are marked, so you have a good time to check on it, and you're like, oh, okay.
you can know like now I'm left this one for
Yeah.
the motorbike,
For the
this one for
motorbike,
the
yeah.
car, like that.
And the development is going on. See, gift mart. The towns, Kenya is developing, man. You know, pole pole, just like that, stars are moving. The county government, Bomet. For those who never heard about Bomet, Bomet is a county or a place located in Kenya. This is where you see
go
most
this
of the
way.
we are going downwards. This way. Wow. Actually, Bomet and Masais, they're just neighbors, right? Very, very.
And
Yeah, let us proceed. Generic hospital. Yeah, Bomet and Masai is one thing, because from here you'll be narrow. Just a few.
yeah,
This one is Kale. It's part of the Rift Valley, I guess.
yeah, it's not
Rift Valley, yeah. The Great Rift Valley. Got the sky, stuff are going. There's also bumps there, so go easy. You know, it's not marked, so you have
I
to.
have seen this one
Yeah, it's not.
passing and jumping.
Mhm.
You know this one you have to
You know me, this road,
use
I've really marked it on my head because I've used to travel here, maybe Nairobi. And the other time last month, we were here with Muta Junior, so we were using his car going up. So
and his guy is down. If
down. So
you, if you
make
mess,
a single mistake,
you go with the bumper.
the bumper is gone. You have to be very careful. You see, okay, at this point there's some changes. Anyway, guys, let's proceed and share with you what's going on around. All right. Yeah, guys. So I think we'll be ending this video here. Your boy CJ is forever grateful for everything. And with me, please, I'm urging you to keep on subscribing. I'm very much happy for 26,000 subscribers. That's a very great milestone, because when I refer back, when I used to be at 0 at 100 subscribers, until now, when we are where we are right now, we see a great change. And this is how the market day is in Africa, also Kenya. You see, there's a lot of duvets that are being sold, different species of stuffs, different things of things. You see here we have clothes, second hand more so. A lot of second hand clothes. There's food stuffs on the other side. Yeah, today in Bomet at this place called Tenwek. It's a market day. Yeah, you see those baskets there? Wow, la 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 la, that's great, man. Second hand clothes, a lot of motorbikes, stuffs moving on. Everybody just trying to hustle for the ends meet. But on a normal day, hey, you see this place is very clear, like very, very clear. But at time like now, the way you see it, oh, everybody's struggling to get his own time, you know. Even if you sell for a day, you get maybe $2 or $3, become grateful. And it's a big market though.
That one can buy some bread.
Yeah. Children can feed for a day.
Yeah.
Wow. See, things are moving well. And here they sell clothes only, man. Yeah? Clothes. Second-hand clothes. Very well and nice. Clothes. Very great and amazing. And everybody's shouting at his top of the voice. His or her top of the voice. Right at the top of her lungs. You know? Yeah. I'm selling something. I've seen some trees there I could have bought, but things are not okay. Yeah, cabbages. Yeah. You know, your trees can be cheaper. Yeah, trees are cheaper because it's on a market day. A tree that you could have bought it on maybe $5, here we'll buy it maybe $1. You know. Yeah. Anyway, guys. Forever grateful. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you're new. Like, share, leave us a comment. Forever grateful. God bless you all. And we'll be back home. Wish Chacha tells a quick recovery. And let's wish him all the best. Now, thank you all, guys. We love you. Good day. Yo, man. Peace.
Love you all. Bye.